you've ever wondered how much it costs to start an Airbnb these days, then this is the video for you. I previously did a video on what I earned in my first year on Airbnb. I will link that below, and I had several people ask, what were my actual startup costs? So in this video, I'm going to outline everything that it took to start it up, room by room. So furniture, bedding, supplies, decorations, all of it. But so that you have a reference point, let's go on a quick tour of my Airbnb. It is located in Malad, Idaho, which is a town of about 5,000 people on the southern Idaho and northern Utah border. It is a brand new 3-bed, 2.5-bath townhouse. As you can see, the bottom level has the half bath as well as the living room and the kitchen. Out the back door, you've got a great view of the mountains. It is right along I-15, so I do get a lot of people that are flying into Salt Lake and heading up to Yellowstone National Park. Since it was a new build, I was able to pick all of the paint color, cabinets, carpets, all of it, but I added my own flair to each of the rooms with their own accent walls. Upstairs, we have a bathroom that the two smaller bedrooms share. This is the master bedroom that has its own walk-in bathroom and closet, as well as another great view of the mountains right here. Then down the hallway, we have the two smaller bedrooms. This one we refer to as the black bedroom. I'm sure you can tell why. And then this is the pink bedroom. We also have a separate washer and dryer for people to use, as well as a supply closet that has extra towels, sheets, duvets, anything that they would need. And then there is a garage as well. So now that you've seen the Airbnb, I want you to guess how much my total startup costs were, and then we're gonna see if you were right or how close you were at the end of the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down room by room by room, what my total costs were for the way that I furnished it and the way that I decorated it. I have also started an Amazon storefront. I think I have to disclose if you click it, I'll get an affiliate link. I think it's pennies on the dollar, to be honest. So really I just did it as a favor for family and friends and different people that have asked me about starting an Airbnb and where I got my furniture from, because a lot of it is from Amazon, including all of my towels and my bedding, and a lot of my supplies are on auto ship. So if you're curious about any of the things we go over today, you can find a link to those that I got from Amazon in my storefront. Okay, let's start with the front entry of the house. I didn't have a mud room, so I made this little nook into one. The mirror, bench, and coat hooks were all from Amazon, and the pillow was from TJ Maxx. My welcome sign with all my home info I got from a fillable PDF template from Etsy. So I'd highly recommend looking through Etsy for those types of documents because they were awesome. So all in for this little nook area, I would say it was about $350. Next up is the small half bath. I wanted to do something fun in this bathroom, and so I did spend $200 on wallpaper. That seems like a lot. I had no idea how much wallpaper costs these days. And then I got a small garbage can as well as a shelf with a couple decorations for a total of $300. Moving on to the kitchen, let's start with the big stuff. I actually bought my kitchen table from Facebook Marketplace for $250. My bar stools are from Amazon and they were $350, and pretty much everything else, if you think of the garbage can, the mirror, the coffee maker, plates, cups, utensils, my air fryer, my toaster, all of that stuff I just bought from Amazon and had it delivered straight to this address. And then my shelves were $350, all the decorations on there, and then I did have to buy my own fridge, which was $900. So I would plan on your kitchen costing you between $2,000 and $3,000. Now moving on to the living room, which is another expensive area because you have to have a couch or chairs depending on your space. I got my couch at a furniture outlet for about $2,000. Then my TV mount, and coffee table are all from Amazon, as well as the books. Then I have a couple pillows as well as a basket with some blankets. So my total living room cost was around $3,000. I added these cute chairs outside on the back porch. I found them on Facebook Marketplace as well, but I do know that they are at Target for around $300. I paid $150 for the set. Okay, up the stairs to the master bedroom we go, my personal favorite room. I once again got all of my mattresses and bed frames from Amazon. There's a memory foam mattress brand called Zinus. They have hundreds of thousands of positive reviews. I actually sleep on one myself, and they are very affordable. So the mattress and the bed frame combined were about $1,000. The two nightstands were $150. All of my sheets, duvets, and comforters were from Amazon, and those cost about $250 in order for us to have two sets. The lamps and the art were from Target, and then all the pillows and the blankets were from all over the place. Also, rugs cost a fortune. For this little area, the dresser is from Amazon and it was about $250. The mirror, basket, and lamp are all from Target. And then a couple decorations. I also forgot to mention the curtains and the curtain rod are also from Amazon and they are blackout curtains. For your total master bedroom cost, I would plan on $2,000 to $3,000. The bathrooms are a lot easier though. You are going to need a shower rod with a curtain and liner, as well as rugs, towels, and then I added shelves and a couple decorations in each of my bathrooms, for a total cost of about $325 for each of them upstairs. Okay guys, we're almost done. For the two smaller bedrooms, I'm going to do them as if they were the same because the costs were so similar. You've got your bed frame and your mattress that are about $600. Then your dresser, nightstands, and your lamps that will be between $500 to $600 total. Then two sets of sheets, duvets, and comforters, your curtain rod and curtains, pillows, blankets, and then decorations. I would plan for each of your smaller rooms to be between $1,500 to $2,000. A couple more expenses that I had to put blinds in each of the rooms because it was a brand new home. I also replaced the light fixtures because I felt like it really upgraded the look. I installed a Ring doorbell as well as a code door handle so the guests can use the code to enter. And I did an accent wall in each of the rooms, so I had the wood and the cost of the paint for each of those rooms as well. This was an additional $1,850. And the moment we've all been waiting for, my total startup cost was $18,000. I had budgeted for about $15,000, but since things are only getting more expensive, if you are starting one today, I would plan on at least 20. All right, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful for you. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I have also done a video outlining what I actually made on my first year in Airbnb, as well as what I made my second year in the first quarter and how that compares to my first year open. So if that is interesting to you, I will put the link to that video below in the notes. And if there's any questions that you guys have, just pop them in the comments and I will respond, and I'm happy to help with any questions you have. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good rest of your day.